Tired of feeling like the air in your home is heavy? Are allergies bothering you, especially when you're with a lot of people? I know how frustrating it can be. Imagine a space where every breath is fresh and clean, letting you enjoy your time without worries. This is the Yardesan air purifier, especially designed for large rooms, covering up to 2,000 square feet. Before starting, remove the filter from the purifier, then remove all the packaging plastic and turn the filter in a clockwise direction until it securely locks in place. Tap once on the power switch button to kickstart your purifier. You can change the fan speed while the air purifier is powered on. It also has a sleep mode. After 10 seconds, all the lights will go off. To reactivate the screen, simply touch any button. And also have a child lock. This is an air purifier especially designed for large rooms covering up to 2,000 square feet and removes 99.97% of airborne particles, even the tiniest ones. Don't let stuffy air ruin your moments. Take the step toward a healthier home with Yardesan air purifier. Breathe easy and live better.